In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Hagley Park Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Hagley Park Prep and Bible knowledge. What was wrong with Bartimaeus before he was healed by Jesus?
He was blind.
He was blind.
That is correct. Christiana, from what illness did Jesus heal Peter's mother-in-law?
Leprosy. Leprosy.
Incorrect, it's a fever. Local affairs, it's a visual. Hagley Park, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Delroy Chuck.
Incorrect, it's Greg Christie, the Executive Director of the Integrity Commission. Christiana, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Kemina Johnson Smith. Kemina Johnson Smith.
Incorrect, it's Daniel Archer, Principal Officer of the National Integrity Action. Science, Hagley Park. What part of a flower is located on top of the stamen of the male reproductive part?
The anvil. The anvil.
Incorrect, it's the anther. Cristiano, what specific part of a flower produces a sweet substance which provides energy for insects?
Leaf. Leaves.
Incorrect, it's a nectary. Hagley Park, this is a visual question. Look at the monitor and give the name of this character from the Incredible Hulk series.
Aunt May.
Incorrect, it's Betty Ross. Cristiano, look at the monitor and identify this character from the Incredible Hulk series.
Hulk. Hulk.
Incorrect, it's Gargoyle. English language, Hagley Park. Does the word pungent mean acrid, sweet, or pleasant?
Acrid.
That is correct. Cristiano, does the word tepid mean cold, warm, or tasty?
Cold. Cold.
Incorrect, it's warm. Sports, it's a visual. This is for Hagley Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sir Patrick Allen.
Incorrect, it's Craig Butler, the local football coach. Cristiano, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kishan Thompson. Robin Williams.
Incorrect, it's Marcel Gill, local football coach. General knowledge, Hagley Park. In what month is Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebrated in the United States of America?
November.
Incorrect, it's January. General knowledge for Cristiano. In what month is Labor Day celebrated in the United States of America?
May.
That's incorrect, it is September. Social studies, Hagley Park. In local business circles, what does the abbreviation JCC stand for?
Say it. Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Incorrect, it's the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce. Cristiano, in local business circles, what does the abbreviation JMEA stand for?
Jamaica Manufacturers Association.
Incomplete, it's Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association. Music for Hagley Park. What is the real name of the Jamaican singer known as Coffee?
Michaela Simpson.
That is correct. Cristiano, what is the real name of the Jamaican singer known as Shaggy?
Shaggy.
Incorrect, it's Orville Burrell. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Christiana Moravian Primary on 0 and Hagley Park Prep on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Remember your manners. Say please, thank you, and excuse me. All these show your respect and consideration for others and demonstrate your appreciation and gratitude. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.